this video, I'll be comparing Webull versus Robinhood. These are two of the most popular commission-free trading apps in the US, but they are built for different kinds of investors. Robinhood focuses on simplicity and accessibility, while Webull offers more advanced trading tools. So stick around until the end of this video, because I'll explain exactly who should choose which from someone that has accounts with both of these and uses both of them for different purposes. So first, what exactly are they and who are they for? Robinhood is designed for beginners. It gives you an easy way to buy stocks, ETFs, options and even crypto, all in a clean and simple app. There are no account minimums and the experience feels more like a consumer app than a trading desk. Webull, on the other hand, targets both beginners and more experienced traders. It's also commission free, but it gives you more advanced charting, better data, and even a paper trading mode where you can practice without risking real money. If Robinhood feels like entry-level investing, Webull feels like a step closer to a professional trading platform. When it comes to features, Robinhood shines in simplicity. You just open the app, search for a stock or crypto, and make a trade in seconds. It also offers fractional shares, so you can buy part of a stock with as little as $1. Webull packs in more tools. You can study charts with dozens of technical indicators, view level 2 quotes, and customize your trading screen. It takes longer to learn, but if you want to analyze trends and test strategies, Webull gives you more depth. Now for cost and fees, both Robinhood and Webull offer commission-free trades on stocks, ETFs and options, but the costs show up in other areas like account transfers, margin loans and premium subscriptions. If you plan to trade on margin, Robinhood usually has slightly lower interest rates, which makes borrowing cheaper. If you don't use margin at all, the difference doesn't matter much. Both also offer premium plans, with Robinhood offering Robinhood Gold and Webull has Webull Premium. And both of these unlock extras like more data or bigger instant deposits. Now you can see the advantages of Webull Premium here. For example, you have cash management plus 3.6% APY, which is quite big. Then your IRA contribution match and transfer match. So if you're using it for your IRA, this is probably going to be worth it. Then you have better margin rates, index options and futures. And as you can see, the current price is $3.99 per month. Now Robinhood Gold is $5 per month, so about $1 more. Here you do get 4% APY, which is also good, and you do also get some additional extras, just like with Webull Premium. Now in terms of the experience and ease of use, Robinhood feels smooth and intuitive. It's a good choice if you want to start investing quickly without being overwhelmed by advanced tools. Webull feels more like a trading platform. It has more screens, more data and more buttons to click. Beginners may find it a little intimidating at first, but if you are willing to learn, it gives you far more control and information. So ultimately, which one should you choose? First, I would choose Robinhood if you are just getting started, if you value a clean and simple app, and you want easy access to stocks, ETFs, options or crypto. On the other hand, I would go with Webull if you are ready for more advanced tools, if you want to practice with paper trading, or if you plan to take trading a bit more seriously, then I would also go with Webull. So in short, Robinhood is best for beginners who want a simple, low-cost way to invest, whereas Webull is better for people who want more data, better charts, and advanced tools to trade more actively. So that concludes this comparison of Webull versus Robinhood. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.